My friends, it is your very best friend from YouTube and everywhere else. It's CryptoFace. The 4-year cycle is back. It's been here the whole time. The deniers are criers. Listen, we're going to skip the jokes because, folks, we have a lot to cover, a lot to go over. We're going to be talking strictly price action and how we're going to be trading this shit and the moves we're going to be making. We have been making moves and moves we're going to be making. This week, it's going to be interesting. Bitcoin's going to be served up 125,000 probably this week. Starting off with the OG spider lines. The target is, well, let's go to the weekly here. Hang on here. The weekly target here. 109. Where did I get 125,000 from? Must be the new spider lines. Okay. OG spider lines. Next up's 108. Maybe that makes more sense. Hang on here. Let's go to the 2.0 spider lines. Man, where did I get 125? Man, I was looking at some charts somewhere, and for some reason, 125 stuck out to me. But whatever. It's going to keep on chugging. Let's... Okay, here we go. The tops have been this spider line. The tops. Boom. This spider line, wherever it may be. It's blue. You can't really see it. Let's brighten it. Let's brighten it here. In fact, let's make it green. Okay. 125. 127,000. That's this current can. That's where it came from. We figured it out. That's where it came from. If we just blast off this week, 126,000 could be more. Maybe not this week, but we're chugging along. We've been waiting for this. The weekly momentum clipping not only has confirmed, but it is firmed. And we have much more to go. Pullback will happen in between. In fact, if we go to this last one, you know, when it was going, VWAP came over. Price went from 65,000 down to 58,000. That's what, a 10% move, 10% move down. So we've got to look out for that. A 10% move down now would be detrimental. That would be 95,000. It would scare the shit out of everybody. Every move scares the shit out of everybody right now. Okay, here. Oops. Trying to get the right color here. Okay. So, the Bitcoin weekly, beautiful. Gates are open. We have the new weekly candle. Look at this momentum. The gates are open with the momentum. That's the white sauce. When it's just gaping open, continuation. And we look to see how much time do we have left in this candle. 6 days and 14 hours. Plenty of time for this puppy to run. Looking good, folks. Let's enhance. Let's go to the 3-day. Why not? 3-day. Gates are open on the 3-day. RSIs, super high. 13 hours left in the candle. Not too many hours left in that candle. 2-day, same thing. Green RSIs. We see here. Overall on Bitcoin. Look at this basic strategy. My God. It does not get better than this. Doesn't get much better than this. Beautiful green curvature came down. Coming down, those the beautiful... Why is this green? There we go. Beautiful money flow curvature curved down. Momentums came down, clipped. Trigger waves came down. So did the price. And now look. Now money flow has been curving back up. We had our big boy, double green dots, 2 of them, 2 green dots. Momentum came down thick, anchor waved, trigger waved, possumed up. RSIs flipped, green to oversold and close together, shooting, starring up, inwardly curved VWAP to the upside. Holy shit. Yeah, baby. Things are gonna get nasty. They're good nasty. Oh, they're getting good nasty. Man, Crypto's about to just be retarded. Crypto's gonna be like a multi-billionaire after this fucking bull run. Gosh, we need to open some Crypto trades. Crypto's head's gonna fucking blow off his shoulders. He's gonna be the headless fucking pumpkin horseman because he made so much goddamn money off this shit. Way to go, Crypto. Way to go. Man's about to be filthy rich. Filthy. Looking good on the daily. Daily looks good. Everything looks great right there. Boy, just more of the same on the daily. More of the same on the daily. Okay, that's the 2-day. Boom, daily. Daily, boom, broken up. Very nice. If you missed this action, you missed it. There was plenty here. Plenty here. We have been longing the shit out of this. We've been here. We've been here. And we've been seeing it coming. Beautiful trigger wave on the 12-hour. When was this? On Tuesday. Going to be looking for these trigger waves on the low time frames. Okay? And especially on the high time frames. When we're seeing that right now, more than ever, this bull run shit is the easy time to trade. It's also the time where everyone gets wrecked. Everyone's always getting wrecked. When we have outwardly curved VWAPs coming up, ooh, that's a freebie. Freebie on 12-hour, the 6-hour, the 4-hour, the 3-hour, the 2-hour, the 1-hour, the 30-minute even. Keep an eye out for these outwardly curved VWAPs. You could literally probably just trade off that. You could, not probably. I mean, I do it all the time. I'll see an outwardly curved VWAP when we're in a confirmed trend like this. Long in this bitch. See ya. Easy as pie. Easier than pie. Easier than pie. Man, look at these spider lines. Look at the price obeying these spider lines. There is so much amazing shit going on here. This is crazy. This is so terrific. This is so terrific. Now, let's zoom into the lower time frames. This is Sunday going into Monday, okay? So, I want to show you guys something. Because while we move forward, we need to look in our rear view mirrors. There's going to be flash wicks and flash shits. Specifically, the liquidity pool. The liquidity pool. Now, typically, when the price is coming up, this is Ethereum. As price goes up, everything's basically blank here. Not right now. Everyone's been longing their ass off with Ethereum and probably Bitcoin too. So there's going to be times where it goes and sucks all this liquidity up. In fact, on these low time frames, that's all it's been doing, is bouncing in between little liquidity, come up to eat that, come down to eat that, come up to eat that. So these all these levels with color are important. The reversals happen in the blank spaces. If you don't know what you're looking at, let's pull up Bitcoin. Bitcoin liquidity pool. See right now, liquidity pool. There is no liquidity pool on Bitcoin. It's at 10,400 and 10,500, 200. So it's kind of, it'll go like doop, suck it up and doop, and then plow through that or plow through this. So we'll see where that's going. Euphoria's kicking in. Feels good. And it feels good. Yep. Feels good, man. We've been waiting for this damn weekly. We've been calling for it. It's here. It's so good to not only be right, but to trade it and be a part of the party. Be the party. So, strategies, okay? The 10-minute, the 15-minute, the 30-minute, these low time frames are going to be your friend for longing bottoms, getting out at tops. You know, now, more now than ever, I would say it's okay to flop and grope a little bit. If you get in and some crazy shit's happen. If you get in a bad entry, you can get out of it. Wait for a better one. It's okay to flop and grope and not take a huge loss. You know, let's talk about shorting here too. We got to talk about shorting because do we short now? Do we short now? If you're trying to short, you better be careful and you better be quick. Playing every single move isn't always healthy. Getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. And I'm telling you. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. And if you miss out, it's okay. The market's going to be there the next day. Pepe. We knew Pepe was going to be here this cycle. Beautiful, beautiful. What's Sui going on with Sui? Yeah, I mean, pick your shit coins. It's about quality over quantity. Quality over quantity. Not all shit coins are going to be doing good. A few are going to be outperforming the rest. We're thinking Sui. We're thinking Pepe. That's pretty much it. Shit. I mean, just Sui and Pepe. Shit. Maybe the Hippo coin too. Moon dang, whatever the fuck. Yeah. The axe is going to be swinging. Let's go to Ethereum. Look at these spider lines on Ethereum. The Ethereum spider lines have been obeyed. Being obeyed. Daily here. So right now, with Ethereum, we have broken over the spider line, came down for support, and we're trying to get liftoff. The next spider line for Ethereum is 2,800, I believe. Yep, 28, little over 2,800. Ethereum's next target is 2,800. For me. We switch from log to non-log. Both are clapping. Both log and non-log spider lines clap. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Both matter. That's crazy. Look at that range. What about on top? I want to see here. What does it do up here? Holy shit. The log is 331,042 for Ethereum. With the log at 2,842. Damn. Man, Crypto is going to ascend to the heavens. That guy's gonna be on cloud 99. He's gonna be like Aladdin. Crypto is going to have a magic carpet for a new car. He's gonna be going crazy. Alrighty. What else? Breakout prop. Y'all have been eating on the leaderboards. Amazing. The Market Cipher Discord's been popping off. Every group, the fire chat, the copy trade, the memes. If you're gonna if you're having a good experience, we appreciate honest testimonials. Honest and thoughtful testimonials. And all I ask is you do not lie. Same with the profit logs. Do not lie. You can post losses here too. Profit logs only doesn't mean only profit. It means don't write testimonials in the profit logs and don't put profit logs in the testimonials. Share the truth. With the copy trade groups, go easy on the questions and easy on the people. It's our first time. Don't take everything I say, especially when you're pressure cooking me 2 weeks ago on fucking what all kind of shit. I'm gonna trade when I want to and take time when I'm take time off when I take time off. This weekend, you're damn right I had to take some time off. Trade on my own. It was like trading by myself felt like I was whipping the Rari around real good. I was cruising this weekend. Man, I was like Mario Kart. I was like star-powered Mario Kart trading this weekend. I kicked ass this weekend. And I don't want to hear anyone fucking crying about it from the copy trade groups because you guys been kicking ass too. You can trade your damn selves on your own fucking time. I've been doing this shit for 3 weeks, damn near. And I've been just totally dedicating myself. No content, nothing else. So I'm going to trade when I want to. If you're in a rush or you need the money or some shit, you should rethink about it. Hopefully this week we knock it out of the park if I take some trades. Oh man. Wow, man, it's like I'm telling you, we forgot what some bull run shit feels like. We forgot what it feels like, and it feels good. It feels good. Don't be the bear trying to short and be square and then getting your asshole plowed through. Don't get your booty plowed through. It's better to avoid a loss than, I missed out, but, if you stayed in and held that shit way, way down, you could have fucked off your whole account. Now's not the time to fuck off. Excuse my French. Parlez-vous français? Anyways, yeah. So this thing is just, it's Bitcoin is going to, it's looking like she's just going to rip. I mean, she's just going to rip. Also, my gosh, Planetar, the Planetar pre-market. Oh, what do you know? What do you know? We got the pullback we asked for. Beautiful 1 hour on Planetar. Planetar pre-market at 122. Loaded up. I'm loaded up and I'm ready. Loaded up and I'm ready on Planetar. Planetar ain't going to stop. Hopefully you got in on the pullback. If you didn't, still plenty of time. This thing's going to be going up forever. This thing's going to $1,000 a share. It's going to be $5,000 a share one day. 10 years from now, Planetar, it's going to be $5,000 a share. Watch. Gold might be pulling back. Yep. Oh, what do you look at that? Gold's going to be pulling back. Gold will have its days. In fact, it's at this support here. Shit, I mean, maybe Monday, maybe today's actually going to be a pullback day. Gold will come up a little bit. And maybe we sell off from over the weekend. What's the Dixie looking like? The Dixie. Oh, the Dixie. Now, the Dixie has been decoupled, the inverse decoupled from Bitcoin. Maybe it'll couple again. So we'll keep our eye on this. But the Dixie has not been, Dixie goes up, Bitcoin goes down. It's been doing the same shit. Planetar, if Planetar goes up, I mean, typically crypto goes up. Sui's at 420. My God, it was at $2 just a few, just like a week or two ago. Yep. So keep your head square. These low time frames, it's look for the liquidity. I'm telling you, liquidity maps, the heat maps, super important. Keep your eye on it. And yeah, we need to have 2 different accounts. We need to have the crypto account, set it and forget it. Come back in the end. Let's come back. We're going to go long, bury it, dig it up in November, sell it, and we're all going to be cryptos together. See you soon.